I just want to say thank you to one of my homeboys, No Bailey, aka Young Bailey, saying believing in me or whatever, saying that I got a lot of potential. No, I'm not the greatest. I know I'm not. He told me to work on a couple things. I did. I don't know. We'll see. Let's get started. This song is called Four of Us.
Real annoying shit. Now these motherfuckers smoking your goddamn cousin in front of you, nigga. Blow his head off in front of your face. You ain't gonna do shit. You acting like a little bitch right now, nigga. Man, fuck that. I ain't letting that shit ride. We gonna go ahead and smoke all these motherfuckers. I don't care who the fuck out there. God damn it. Cause you down, nigga. Man, both of y'all shut the fuck up. Both of y'all acting like some motherfucking bitch of shit. My motherfucking joint, nigga.
I've been grinding my whole life, you know what to do. I come at you like that tornado in 2002. Sound the boss, the hoss, the white Rick Ross. All you ever cost to me is my left shoe. Boo hoo, boo hoo. I got stacks on stacks, and all you ever have is $2 in cash. I'll bash and mash your chick while you land on my stacks in cash. Nah, I've never been to death row, but I can still bang you a hoe. Fuck you haters, you ain't got shit on me. You don't know my motherfucking history. Nigga, I said, you ain't got shit on me. You just sucking my dick while you on your knees. Get off my dick, cause motherfuckers you too thick. See, God forgives, but I don't. If you talk too much shit, you get your ass dope. I don't play no fucking games, I'll put your little ass to shame. If you think I'm lying, then motherfucker, you be dying. Because my first name's Brand, and my last name's Maddie. I'm a crazy motherfucker, call me Big Badass. And now it's four of us bad motherfuckers. JD, my first boy. Nigga, he ain't no toy. Just let him my second nigga. He'll knock you out on one hit, nigga. Then you got my boy Matt. Yeah, he might be a little fat, boy like Chunky. And if you step in my way, he'll show you how to rug beat. Now it's time for me to go, but you gotta remember, I'm a bad motherfucker. I don't play no games. So put down the controller. Come and do that real thing.